Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to talk about good agriculture practice. Here are the group members. First, we have Cik Fasiruddin Hakma bin Cik Ramli. Second, we have Ahmad Daniel bin Sakimi. And the third one is Muhammad Rashdan bin Muhammad Aidil. And the last one is Muhammad Ammar Zikri bin Saiful. As a good agricultural practice. Good agricultural practice or GAP is a set of standards for the safe and sustainable production of crop and livestock. It aims to help farm owners maximize yield and optimize business operation while also minimizing production costs and environmental impact. It also makes the producer with a good quality retailer demand. Lastly, it can maintain the natural environment and promote economic sustainability in agriculture.
Okay, now I will talk about irrigation system. An irrigation system is a method of supplying water to crop or plant to support their growth. There are different types of system like sprinkler that spray water over the plant or tube that deliver water right to the root. The choice of system depends on the plant and how much water is available. Using an irrigation system help plant grow better and save water. There are types of irrigation system or method that are most used in agriculture and gardening in Malaysia. The first one is surface irrigation. This is the most common and traditional method where water is distributed over the soil surface and allowed to infiltrate and reach plant root. It includes techniques like flooding, furrow irrigation, and border irrigation. The second one is sprinkler irrigation. In this method, water distributed through sprinkler that spray water over the plant like rainfall. It can be done using fixed or movable sprinkler system and is commonly used in agriculture, field garden and sport field. The third one is drip irrigation. This is a highly efficient method where water is delivered directly to the plant root in small, controlled amount through a network of tube or pipe with emitter. Drip irrigation reduces water wastage, minimizes weed growth, and is commonly used in garden, orchard, and greenhouse cultivation. There are several types of advantage and disadvantage in irrigation system. The first one in advantage is increase your crop yield and productivity by providing plant with consistent water supply. Improve plant health and growth, reducing the risk of drought, stress, and water-related disease. And efficient use of water as irrigation system can deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing evaporation and runoff. The disadvantage is high initial cost and maintenance expense, including the installation and upkeep of irrigation equipment. Energy consumption, as some irrigation system require pump or power source to distribute water. And the last, potential for water wastage if not properly managed, leading to environmental concern and water scarcity. Okay, the last one is example of GAP in irrigation. The first one in water management plan. Farmer can develop effective water management plan to sustainably use water resources and optimize crop production while minimizing environmental impact. And the next is moisture monitoring, soil moisture monitoring. Farmer can implement effective soil moisture monitoring practice to optimize water management, improve crop productivity, and promote sustainable agriculture.
Avoid soil erosion. Soil erosion is a concern not only for its impact on plant growth, but also for its impact to water quality. Soil is a valuable natural resource that nourishes and support plant growth among many other things. When soil is left bare and exposed, wind and water can erode it. 3 ways to prevent soil erosion. First is a planting cover crop. Cover crop like grass and legumes help hold the soil in place with the root system, reducing erosion. Next is mulching. Apply mulching such as straw or wood chip help to protect the soil surface from the impact of raindrop and wind, reduce erosion. The last is contour plowing. Plowing across the slope rather than up the down help to create ridge that reduce water runoff and erosion. Example of GAP to avoid soil erosion is a crop rotation. Planting different crops in succession help maintain soil structure and reduce erosion. The last one is cover crop. Planting cover crop like legumes or grass help protect soil from erosion by holding it in place with the root system.
And here I want to talk about pest management. Pest management, also known as pest control, is a practice of managing pest population and minimize their impact on our crop. It involves a combination of preventive measures, cultural practice, biological controls, and chemical interventions when necessary. These are the examples of pest management. First, we have chemical. Chemical divided by three types: herbicide, fungicide, and insecticide. And natural, we have manual removal. First example for pest management is chemical. First, we have herbicides. Herbicides are chemical substances used to control or kill unwanted plant or weed. Herbicides have been both praised for their ability to improve crop yields by minimizing weed competition and potential for impact on health. Second, we have insecticide. Insecticides are chemicals designed to kill or control insects. It has two modes of action. First, contact, that kill insect direct by contact. And second, systemic insecticide. The plant absorbed and ingested by insect feeding on them. And the last one for the chemical is fungicide. Fungicides are chemical substances used to control fungal disease in plants. Fungicides work by inhibiting the growth and reproduction of fungal pathogens. It also helping to protect plants from infection and minimizing the spread of disease. These are the examples of GAP in pest management. First, we have mechanical and physical control, and second, we have cultural practice. Integrating this mechanical and physical control method into agricultural practice, farmers can reduce reliance on chemical pesticides, minimize environmental risks, and promote sustainable farming systems that support both crop productivity and ecosystem health. And for the cultural practice, by adopting this cultural practice, farmers can optimize resource use, minimize environmental impacts, and build resilience to climate change while promoting sustainable agricultural systems that support both human well-being and ecosystem health.
I'm going to talk about soil management. Soil management involves practice aimed at maintaining or improving the quality and fertility of soil for various purposes. Second, I'm going to talk about method of soil management. First, crop rotation. Alternating different crops to improve soil fertility, reduce pests and disease, and prevent nutrient depletion. Second, cover cropping. Planting cover crop between main crops to protect soil from erosion, suppress weed, and add organic matter. Third, organic amendments. Organic amendment edit compost, manure, or other organic material to exchange soil fertility, structure, and microbial activity. Next, nutrient management. Applying fertilizer based on soil test result and crop needs to optimize nutrient availability and minimize environmental impact. Next, erosion control. Implementing practice such as contour plowing, terracing, and mulching to prevent soil erosion and sediment runoff. Lastly, soil conservation practice. Installing measures like grass waterways, buffer strips, and windbreak to reduce soil erosion and maintain soil health. Last but not least, conservation tillage. Conservation tillage minimizing soil disturbance during planting and cultivation to reduce erosion, preserve soil structure, and retain organic matter. And lastly, I'm going to talk about example of gap in soil management. Firstly, buffer strip and riparian zones. Establishing vegetative buffer strips along water bodies and riparian zones help filter sediments and pollutants, stabilize streams bank and protect aquatic ecosystem. And lastly, soil testing and monitoring. Regularly testing soil properties such as pH, nutrient level and organic matter content helps farmer make informed decision about soil management practice and optimize crop production. That's all for me. Thank you.